For 15 years, this land stood without lions. Bringing them back was never the question. The challenge was how to do it right. What followed required patience to return what once belonged here. In partnership with conservation experts in Livingstone, a journey began. 2 lions, 1 male, 1 female, both raised in captivity, both ready for a different life. Through a careful process of rewilding, supported by specialists on the ground, they were given the space, time, and guidance to begin remembering what they are. There is a moment in a journey like this when everything begins to shift. And then, that moment comes, and with it, the awakening. Step by step, instinct returns. They move forward, back onto the land where they belong. Not just returning to the wild, but becoming part of restoring it. Not just for them, but for everything that depends on this place. This was always the beginning. The land is ready. The lions are here. Lolelunga no longer waits. The rewilding has begun.